Welcome to my first business model-oriented playlist. In this playlist, I will show you the fundamental concept of business model. So first of all, a question must be appeared to your mind that why do the playlist required for you? As you all have some amazing business ideas and you want to implementize those ideas. Here the business model helps you to transform your own business ideas to a well-regulated and methodical formation. So without downfalling the time, let's start the first lesson. We have been included 6 phenomena in this first lesson. As you see, the first phenomenon stands to the business title domination. It's been your first impression of your whole model. On moving further, we would together point out the key focuses on to introduce the business idea as project next. This segment of your project provides a brief idea about your whole project and it decides the observer will continue your project observation or not. On this segmental video, I would be discussed basically on these 2 parts. On my upcoming videos, I would more focus onto the next 4 segment of my business model. Till then, I would like to continue with you. So, now we are on to the foremost part. Here we will consider 5 things that you have to keep in mind when you're placing a name for your project or for your business model. First thing, think about what you want your business title to convey. That indicates you have to ensure a convenient name that will simply indicate your business phenomenon. Like in textiles, tax, in software, IT, in pharmaceutical, pharma, that will transform the observer's mind correct way. Now on move to the second part, it stands for to keep your title short, convenient, simple and easygoing. That will easily accepted through the user's mind. Up next, make something unique that will not flow with the trends. Cause human psychology says unique things provoke user's mind most. But you have to also keep in mind that the name should not be obscure in the format. But at last, not at the least, it's very important for all of you that name must be a legal one. Cause if you choose any name, but that name had been already patented to another company or project, that makes no sense. So, your final goal must be to register your domain's name and obtain a trademark for your business purpose. Here I have made an example for all of you to make understand it very easily. Here I have chosen a name which is Natural Dye Clothings. Since I have mentioned clothings, it has been indicated this model is about textiles. For the better understanding, I have mentioned it belongs to a sister concern of medical textiles. But a question appears, where is the uniqueness? See, as dyeing is an artificial chemical phenomenon, nature itself is unique. And in name you also found easygoing words that ensures simplicity of the name domination. Hence, the name domination of your project has been cleared up, so we are going to move up to the next topic. So the next topic is about a brief introduction of your whole business project. On basis of this, I have been made a slide with an example for ensure the fast understanding. With a view to short introduction of any product, the observer are looking for the 3 W questions. So what are they? They are what, why and who. What stands for the scientific definition with proper references that assures the authenticity of the parcel. Why stands for the reason which works behind to provoke the product. That confirms the motive of the substances. Who is understood so easily that tells whom would be recognized for the product and who would be suggested customer. It's a very crucial part to describe correctly. On depend this, the final destination would be worked so fluently. As you know from the beginning of the video, it's been a broad playlist. On this purpose, I've made a conscious part today, basically discussed on the name domination and crucial introduction. On the upcoming video, I would discuss about the mission and vision with their dependency as well as prime portion on identity to product or project destination. Till then, take a good care of yourself and family. Wishing a great future for you, and goodbye and God bless you.